Boys, it has been a minute. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it has been over 2 weeks since I have made a video. I'll explain later why I was gone for so long. But for now, I've got a couple things that you guys are probably gonna be pretty excited about. Let me drive on over to my dad's house so we can get in the garage and we will get started and I'll explain everything that I'm doing today. Alright boys, so behind me in this garage is my 2005 Mustang GT and a bunch of parts I picked up actually. Today I only have plans to do 2 of these parts that I picked up, and the third one I'm going to maybe start filming some of that video today, but it won't be done. I don't think I'll have time, but we'll see. The first part is this part. This is the MMD chin spoiler. I know this part's like really popular. I know that a lot of people go for it. I know that it's pretty basic, like it's super easy to install, everyone has it. However, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different than most people do. Not today, but a little bit in the future. I'm throwing this chin spoiler on, and then I'm going to be getting a splitter, like a really aggressive looking splitter on this car. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna make that MMD chin spoiler a little bit different. But today we'll just be doing the chin spoiler. And after we get that installed, we'll be moving on to something else. But let's just get this done because I think it'll only take about 5-10 minutes. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this job, but I'll show you guys real quick right here, if it'll give me any light, the lower corner. So there's this screw and there's a screw down here. To do this job, all you have to do is unscrew those 2 screws on each side, put the chin spoiler on, and then peel back some 3M double stick tape that's already applied on the spoiler. And that's really all there is to it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bumper with some alcohol wipes that MMD actually supplied with the chin spoiler. And we're just gonna get this going. I don't need to talk anymore. It's pretty self-explanatory. You guys get it. Alright, so boys, hopefully you can see me. It says the instructions say to start in the middle and just peel up a little bit of this 3M tape, just so it's exposed so I can get to it still. And then we're gonna put the chin spoiler on, screw it in. Once it's screwed in, we'll pull the rest of the tape out. And she will be installed. So, boys, this really was an easy install. If you guys are like new to cars at all, or like you just got your Mustang, even if it's a V6 and it's like your first car or something, and you want to do a little modification to make it look a little bit more aggressive, this is a fantastic mod for the price. Fit and finish is great. Boys, we got the chin spoiler on, it looks dope. Check her out. And now we're gonna be moving on to the tints. Let's get to it. All right, boys, so I just did one side, just so I could see if I could do it. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the other side. It's actually not too bad. You know what, I'm just talking, let me show you. Process. Boom. A little bit of rubbing alcohol here. Give her a good wipe. All right, and I don't want to evaporate while I'm doing this, so I'm gonna dry it right away. Next step is to just give that a light spray because I want to be able to slide this this vinyl around. And guys, this is way easier than I anticipated it being. The instructions were really intimidating. So here we go. All you do is you just stick this baby on here. Since it's wet, it will allow you to slide it around and fit this inside of the housing. You'll see it's a little bit bigger than this plastic rim. And then you see these air bubbles that are creasing up. Let me see if I can, yeah, you guys can see that just fine. So this is easy to fix, this is easy to get out. This won't adhere because there is cleaner on the other side of this. So what we gotta do is we gotta get ourselves some form of a squeegee. I'm just using this ID card. And we need a blow dryer or a heat gun. I'm gonna put this one on high heat. And we're just gonna work like a corner at a time. So there's this air bubble, I'm gonna hit this one first. And that's it, boys. That's all there is to it. That is a tinted fog light. Let me show you how the whole front end looks right now. There's a ton of shit in the way, but why won't you focus? Come on, focus. I'll focus it myself. There we go. That looks pretty badass, boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the side markers and I'll show you what it looks like. And we'll decide if we're gonna do the headlights or not. Boys, I just finished installing the tints and I gotta say, this thing looks freaking mean now. Alright, I know you guys are probably dying to see it, so I'm gonna go ahead and film a little reel and roll the clip.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react, how you react to me. So much differently. I am different.
Alright, and boys, before this video is over, I actually have one more thing that I'm going to be doing to this car. It's really small, minor thing, but I had it on my Civic and I loved it and I thought it was super cool. So I decided that I wanted to do the same thing on this car. Check this out. We're back at it. So I decided that I'm going to put one right here on the dashboard. Passenger side, wow, that is dusty as hell. I'm going to have to clean that big time. Get her wiped down real good. Oh yeah, check that out, boys. That is sweet. All right, boys, so I'm gonna be ending this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun to do, actually. Doing some of these body mods is really fun because I've never really done this before. I've never really like gone and bought body parts before in the past. Not like human body parts, but you guys get the idea. So anyway, I'm super happy with the way it looks right now. I am planning on getting a splitter in for this car. I think I might have already said that. I think that's gonna make it look super cool. Coilovers are coming soon. Got some other parts in the works. So yeah, boys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please get the heck out of here. Also, please consider subscribing if you did like this video. It's super fun to make. Been getting a lot more subs lately. Oh yeah, and I gotta explain to you guys why I was gone for so long. Maybe I'll hit you guys with that in the next video. So stay tuned, stick around for more. Vids coming regularly again, I hope to God. Please Lord. So yeah, I'm Yanni Knowles. You're the best. Have a nice day.